This is Esha Deol and I'm here at Sante Spa Cuisine talking to Global Spa Magazine. Well, I think this is one of the most organic match that has ever happened. I would say we are a perfect match, and everything about the restaurant, the menu, the food, the ingredients, it just blends very well with my thought process towards my eating habits and taste buds. So I have eaten here back in the day myself a couple of times, and I always called it Sante. Then when I partnered with them is when I realized it's spa cuisine. So that's when I was also curious to know why spa cuisine. I think it's as simple as the fact that it's such holistic, pure, soulful food that spa just works well. I think usually people associate healthy food eating habits with boring food and food without taste, and Sante proves that wrong. It breaks all those thoughts. When you come here and eat, there is good taste, there is a variety, and you know you're eating healthy, tasty food. Oh, there are many, which are my favorites, and the fact that they keep upgrading and changing their menu according to the seasons or festivals that we have in our country. There's always a huge variety. My favorites are the bajra risotto, the avocado chaat, then the smoothie bowls, then the cornucopia. Then today I had, I'm not stopping because they're all so good, today I had Mishti doi with raspberry. I can't tell you, I can still have another bowl of it. It was so good. My wellness philosophy would be feed your soul, not just your body. What's next for me on the menu? Well, there's lots. Always. I think life is to be lived and experience and experiment and just go for your dreams and fulfill them. Don't look for the end destination. I think the journey of every milestone in life is what one needs to enjoy and be present in it. There's no steps. I think it's about discipline and how much you value yourself. I think self-love and valuing yourself is half the, you just do things right then. If you don't value yourself and love yourself, you're going to do all the wrong things to you. It takes me back to a very lovely nostalgic memory where when you all had just started, I think it was 2011, that was the first time my mum, my sister and me did a cover shoot together for Global Spa. I loved that shoot and the clothes you all got us to wear, and it was just a fun day shooting with Global Spa. I think also the fact that the content that is there in your magazine is so updated with what is happening with the changes in generational, sort of patterns and what resonates with the youngsters today. So y'all are not, the fact that y'all are still authentic but also new.